We all need that one friend in our life that just cheers us on no matter what. That is my friend Colin. I remember when he first learned that I was getting into painting, I can't remember exactly what he said, but it was something like, in 10 years, you're gonna be off painting in Italy. Well, would you know it, about 10 years from that point, I was leading a painting retreat to Sicily. I brought my good friend Colin along to document the retreat experience with pictures and video. Today, I'm going to show you the highlights of my Sicily retreat. Stay tuned to the end. I'm going to announce where I'm going in 2026 and how you can join me in this experience. We flew into Palermo. Palermo was an exciting city. We walked around and explored before we were off into the countryside of Sicily, taking the beautiful journey to the venue. After the arrival, we had some incredible food, and I led my first day of lessons at the venue. Something exciting about these retreats is we'll have everyone from a beginner to a more advanced painter. Because it's not a big group of people, I'm able to spend one-on-one time with each person, no matter how far along they are in their painting journey. The next day, we took an incredible trip to the ancient fishing village of Cefalù. It was a beautiful place. We got to walk the streets and look in shops and visit old churches, and then we set up and we painted on the beach. This was a really fun experience. The waves were gently rolling in, and we found a good shaded area where we could set up and paint the scene together. One thing I love about these trips is at the beginning, nobody really knows each other. As the days go on, the group becomes tighter and tighter, and it's really a fun part is to see artists connecting, talking, and growing together through this amazing shared experience that we're having. The next day, we were off to the ancient city of Ganji, and we got to roam the streets and explore, and again, we set up and we were able to paint and enjoy this amazing location. And the following day, we took a trip to see an ancient castle. One thing I love about history and visiting places like this, it helps you realize you are just a small little blip in a much larger story of humanity. We walked up these ancient stairs, and there was a view of the countryside that was absolutely stunning. One nice thing about having this many days together is that I can see where students are, what they are needing help with, and guide them through as I do demonstrations. Times like this in life are so precious and so rare. It's one of those things you just want to hang on to. I'm excited to announce I'm leading another painting retreat in September of 2026. This time, I'm going to Spain. The venue looks absolutely stunning. The location, it looks beautiful with so many fascinating subjects to paint. I'm really excited to see the coastline, to visit the old cities in this region. So if you are curious about this trip, if this is something you would like to do, you can follow the link down in the description below to learn more about this retreat. And if you happen to get to this page and the retreat is already full, don't worry, get on the wait list. If enough people sign up and there's enough people on the wait list, then that means I can open up a second retreat to another location. Follow that link, take a look at the retreat page. I hope that I will see you in Spain in 2026.